A lot of people insure their phone, but they don't insure their life. Ah, hey, that is how much some people just prioritize insure of just physical wants, honestly, and just ignore the most important, crucial thing, which is our life. In fact, I'm so passionate about life insurance that I always say it's a selfish act if you are a parent and you don't have a life insurance. Because I was like, look, this year alone, we've lost quite a few friends. There's something about the sadness of losing somebody. But when financial catastrophe is added to it, then that is even worse. That's like one of the best things you can do. I call it a love gift to your loved ones. And don't procrastinate. That's another thing about we, especially people of our color. When you are young, life insurance is as cheap as like £10. And you can get like, in case anything happens to you, you're going to get like a lump sum of maybe your loved ones, the ones you're going to leave behind. You'll get a lump sum of maybe 500,000 or 400,000 just for them to continue surviving while you're not there. Yeah, they will. It will be painful that you're not there. But financial catastrophe of them stressing you out. Do you remember the story of the widow in the Bible? That the husband died and died in debt. He died in debt, and the lenders start harassing her. They wanted to take her son. There's some harassment that comes when you die in debt and you leave debt for your loved ones. Life insurance, take it. And people procrastinate to the extent that it now gets to a time when they will not be insurable. And I will explain uninsurable to you. Uninsurable, they will get to the point when health issues will set in as they're growing older. High blood pressure setting, cholesterol issues setting, maybe cancer diagnosis setting. And when that time comes, when they're now looking for life insurance, they won't have any underwriter that wants to insure them. So don't leave it. Don't leave it till late. Just do it. It's not expensive. It's just for that rest of mind.